This is Tim with Ironhorse Classics. This is our latest build and we're showing at the Dallas AutoRama 2024. And what I'd like to do is take you guys around and take a view of all the cool things that we've done to this truck. So follow me along the way. What we have is a Chevy 383 stroker motor with an entire custom firewall, wheel wells, and the radiator cover. So what we've done with this truck is we started out with a 1954 Chevy 3100 5-window pickup truck, and then what we've done is we've manipulated and detailed out so many little pieces. Every single panel of the truck has been custom made, custom built, or fabricated. What we have is a chrome 54 grille, and what we did is we tucked the bumper. What we've done there with the bumper is taken it back, cut it about 2 inches shorter and wider than what it was. On the side here, we've got Butnick wheels made from a friend, Alan Butnick. Butnick has built a lot of custom wheels for our cars that we've done in the past. The doors itself, what we've done is we've gone to a Ken Diggett handle set for this for a nice flush, flat finish of the car. We've gone to hot rod aluminum mirrors. We've gone to all leather interior, and what we've done is we've taken the basic products of a 3100 Chevy pickup truck and we've put those elements in there. Inside is what's really creative. What we have done is taken two 1954 truck dashes and put them into one dashboard. We ran out of space and real estate inside the truck, so one of our guys hopped in his private airplane and he went and picked up a dash for us out of Lubbock, Texas. It's pretty interesting. So if you can take a look inside there and look at that detail, you'll see that it looks factory, but it's far from factory. Inside with the custom interior comes along our running boards. These are a one-off running board that we made for the truck. Then what we have is the exhaust running through the side of that running board. And then we get to the fender. On this fender, we have put 2.5 inches of additional metal into this fender. And what we've done is we widened it so we wouldn't have to cut up the inside of the bed, and we put a 295 18-inch tire on this truck. When we get to the back of this truck, a lot of custom elements here. We've added about 2 inches to the bed stake here. We've rolled custom steel as a prop to hold up our tailgate, and there we are. Here is what this truck is all about. What we've done with this truck is we've called it the Chevy Root Beer. And it's got a root beer theme, and the root beer theme was thought of by Buddy, which is the owner of the truck, and this is his dream truck. We have about 40 hours of polishing and cleaning up this wood. This is a wood that comes out of South Carolina. The guys put this together for us. Then what we did is we cleaned it up and made it a little prettier than even what they came up with, and they are very creative. The theme of the truck is root beer. We keep saying that. What we did is we took a piece of root beer candy, and what we did is we created a color based on the color of the truck. So basically root beer in the normal light is more of a brownish color. This is Buddy Dean. He is the inspiration of the build of this truck, and Buddy has a past history. He's a Vietnam vet that played for Alabama under Bear Bryant. So he basically knew exactly what he wanted, and he told me exactly what he was looking for. I want to introduce Buddy to you. And Buddy, why don't you tell us about the inspiration, why you wanted this 54 truck?
I had always wanted a 54 Chevy ever since coming out of the military. Never could find one that would be affordable and be able to be fixed up the way that I wanted it. I found this truck in Plano, purchased it, took it over to Ironhorse, and the rest is what you see today. We chose the paint from DeSoto Chemical in Garland, and then Tim and Tim's people put touches of different stuff together, and this is what we ended up with, which we call it a root beer color. And I'd seen this color a couple of times on vehicles, and to me it looked great, and so therefore I decided to go with it.
Well, buddy, what are some of your favorite points to the truck? There's so much that goes on with this truck, so many custom elements. I know it's hard to pick just one, but what are some of your favorite elements to the build of this truck?
The interior is my favorite.
Okay.
If
you like that interior?
If you look at the interior matches the paint job almost perfectly. It's something that Ironhorse came up with. I approved it, and that's the end result that we get with it, is what you see here today.
So you love the contrast, is what you're saying?
I love the contrast of that.
That's great. Well,
color.
Any other custom elements? I know that we went through.
The Butnick wheels.
Yes.
Was an idea that come along a little late, and so I said, yeah, let's do that. So we ordered 4 of them, and
here they are.
And here they are on the truck.
So the 383 stroker motor is basically a mutual friend of ours, someone that's been building motors for over 50 years. We wanted him to build the motor, and you guys spent a lot of time at his shop going back and forth and back and forth. So we don't want to discount what our buddy Ernie has put together for us, but the sound element of this with the exhaust system, this thing sounds much different than a normal 1954 Chevy truck.
It most certainly does.
Yes.
It's got a sound like no one's heard before. You know when you drive up to a stop sign, somebody's beside of you.
Yeah.
It's a great job with the exhaust system that was put on it. The way that the exhaust system comes out the sides is unheard of. I mean, people just don't do that. But Tim has a man there that is excellent with metal.
Well, what about the latest recreation? We did add a few recreations to this just recently, just so we could make it AutoRama ready. The hood, let's talk about the hood. I think that is something that, let's walk over there and take a look. Point out some of that detail. So basically on the hood, what we've done is we've taken the entire cap, the lip off of here.
It come out.
Yeah, it came out too far and it would stick over the top of the grill. What we've done is we've allowed the hood and the grill now to marry up. And what that has done for us is to have a more uniform fit on the hood. Anything that you like here? Do you like that air cleaner, buddy?
I love that air cleaner. That air cleaner was something that come out of a magazine that Tim found. He said, hey, I think this air cleaner works on that truck. And I said, well, let's order it and see.
Yeah.
And we did, and it looks great. But I tell you that the engine was, you couldn't get a gentleman any more professional than where we had this engine built. He married it to the transmission. Mm-hmm. Everything works great. As Tim said, the hood stuck over. So what happened to this hood was at the back of it, we took off a strip that would make it flush. And when you put the hood down, it looks like it's just molded right into the fenders and into the grill. The gentleman did a fantastic job on doing this hood. It's a lightweight hood. It's not a real heavy hood, and we're well pleased with that, are we not, Tim?
Yes, we are. Well, you know, I think we've built your Chevy 3100 root beer truck, don't you think?
I think to the top of the line.
I think it's beautiful. Well, thanks, buddy, for coming out and allowing us to work on your truck and show the truck this weekend.
Yep.
Thank you again.